Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show this video how to fix you can't access this shared folder because your organization security policies on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are saying you can't access this shared folder error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, what you have to do, you have to just go to your host PC and there you just need to click on the start menu or search menu, then type here regedit. Click on this register editor. In this you can see HK local machine, double click and expand this system. After that current control set. After that you will find service. After that you need to find LAN workstation. Scroll down. You see LAN. You will find here LAN man workstation. Double click and expand this. After that you will find parameters. You have to just single click on that. In this you need to find allow in secure guest auth. If you are unable to see that one, for that what you have to do, you have to just right click on here and click on new dword 32-bit value, then rename it as allow in secure guest auth. Double click to open and change the value from 0 to 1. After that just click OK and close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can't access this shared folder because your organization security policies on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.